Deploying your app to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Deploying your app to the Google Play Store, Part 1. In this video, we're going to discuss the final state of the app, create a developer account, create a privacy policy, and create feature graphics and icons for your app. I have deployed the app on 3 virtual devices and tested it on my Android phone. I removed the Fab button because it was covering the trash can icon. I also removed all buttons from the positioned widget. When you long press on a card, you're taken to the update screen. All of the fields are populated with the data that you may want to change. When you are finished, you click the Done icon in the top right-hand corner. One cool thing about this app is that it supports landscape orientation. To push our app to the Google Play Store, we need to log into the Google Play console and create a developer account. It's a one-time fee of $25 US. You sign in with your Google account, and there are 4 steps. After you sign in, you accept the agreement, then you pay the registration fee, which requires a credit card. If you're really serious about becoming a mobile developer, this is a good investment. Once that is completed, you add your account details. We next need to get a privacy policy. We can generate one from termsfeed.com. Privacy policies are now required by law. Failing to have one can get your app removed from the App Store. Choose a language and choose a platform. Type in the name of your mobile app on the next page. Choose individual for entity type. Enter your country and go to the next step. Since we're going to be collecting information about students, we need to select all of these boxes. We will not be sending email to users. Neither will we be collecting location information. We will not be asking users to pay for products or services. We will not be using tracking tools such as Google Analytics. We will not be showing ads. There will be no ads on the mobile page. We will use remarketing services because the good ones cost money. We will not be disclosing information to law enforcement agents because there is no information to disclose. We will not be selling this app. We don't need GDPR wording or CalOPA wording. Users can contact me with questions regarding the policy via email. Enter an email address so that you can receive the privacy policy and hit generate. Copy the link to your privacy policy and then add this to the privacy policy section of store listings. You get to this page after you create your app in the Play console. If you scroll up, you can see that there are a few graphics that need to be uploaded before we can add our app. We need a high-res icon, a feature graphic, promo graphic, TV banner, and don't worry about the Daydream 360. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use this free online feature graphic generator to make a feature graphic. It's very straightforward, and this is where I recommend that you team up with a designer, especially if you're not creative like me. There are other programs out there that you can use to generate these graphics, such as Inkscape and Box SVG. You can go to App Icon Generator to generate your icons. Just drag your icon into the area. We only need icons for iPhone, iPad, and Android. If you like the generator, you can buy the owner a coffee. The file that we downloaded contains 2 folders, one for Android and the other for iOS. Delete all the map folders from the res directory and replace them with the ones that we downloaded. If we go into the app drawer of our emulator, we can see that the app now uses the icon that we created. We can go to the Flutter website to get information on how to prepare an app for release. The first thing that we need to do is review the app manifest and remove permission to use the internet. We next need to review the build configuration. Go to the build.gradle file in the app folder. We can see the minimum SDK is 16, and this means you need Android 4.1 and up to run the app. We've already added the launcher icon, so we can skip that part. We next need to create a key store by running the following command in the terminal. You're going to run into problems if you don't have the Java development kit installed. Installation is quite straightforward. Just go to the website and download the version best suited for your machine. After installing the JDK, run the command again. You're asked to create a key store password. Write down this password so that you don't lose it. Then it asks you some personal information. You can migrate to the PKCS12 format by copying the command in quotes. It asks you for your password again. A new key is created and you are given the location. We next need to reference the key store from the app. We need to create a file named key.properties in the Android folder. In this folder, you will add the store password, the key password, the key alias, and the location of where the file is stored. We next need to configure the signing in Gradle. Copy the reference to the key store information and paste it above Android. Copy signing configs and build types and paste it over the section that contains build types.